I feel like we need intro music.
That's not the album we're doing, though. I thought it was mine. You couldn't by the mouth.
What do you call that? The way that she doesn't really do it on this record as much.
No.
That like emo-y.
It's like punk emo, because all the guys do it too.
Yeah.
I want more.
Yeah.
I want more.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums and we tell you the tastiest track on the album. I'm Jen.
I'm Kelly.
And today we're gonna talk about Paramore. Kelly chose this album, the self-titled album.
Mm-hmm. This album didn't even need a title because it's so good.
It didn't need anything.
Didn't need it.
2012.
Yep.
Kelly, can you tell me why you made us listen to this album?
So Jen and I bonded over the previous album, Brand New Eyes. And I felt like we needed to do a Paramore record, but we'd already kind of burned Brand New Eyes into the ground. I felt like it was a little too easy. And this one I knew there was a lot of really good songs on that Jen had not heard. So I decided this was gonna be the one. So Taylor on guitar, Jeremy on bass, and Haley. And then they had a bunch of new, just hired guns.
All right.
It just works.
It just works.
It just works.
So let's talk about the tracks that we think worked. What's your tastiest track?
My tastiest track is Ain't It Fun. No, this song, when this record came out, was my favorite song. I had just gotten out of what I like to call an LA-tionship. It's an LA relationship. I'll explain to you what that is, sidebar. It's when you're like you're together all the time, you both really like each other, but like you're not labeled together, right? And I was super heartbroken, wah, 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 and this record was my friggin' life raft. Why are you laughing at my turmoil?
You laugh at my turmoil.
Anyway, but this record was my life raft for sure. I just listened to it over and over, and that song in particular, I was obsessed with it well before it became a single. It was like, that was the song that got me through that year, for sure. I love bass heavy songs too, and it's like the bass is taking the lead on this one, which I really love.
And it comes in with that big slide in the beginning. Boom!
Yeah! What was yours?
We actually agree on something. It's the first time it's happened. It's the first time it's happened. I'm shocked.
Look at that.
I'm amazed. I'm almost speechless that we agree on a tune.
Do you think we've ever agreed on anything, period?
Kelly Clarkson.
Oh, that's true, yeah. Well, and Brand New Eyes.
Brand New Eyes.
That's it.
I just thought Ain't It Fun it's super poppy, but super sarcastic.
Yeah.
Which I really appreciated. I feel like we're all kind of at the age where we're learning like, oh, this isn't cute anymore.
Yeah.
Thinking that the world revolves around you and everybody's against you and everything. Like, we're here, we're in this storm together.
Yep.
And we gotta figure out a way around it.
Well, and that's why I love Paramore, because I can't get on board with lyrics that are super uplifting and like positive. I get on board with melodies and like music that sounds uplifting. But I love Paramore because they're very realistic and very kind of emo with, her lyrics they're not telling you everything's gonna be okay.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's realistic, but then like the melodies and the music part of it keep my spirits up.
Totally.
So it's like a perfect balance,
Super deceiving.
Yeah.
Super deceiving, because you're like, no, this is,
it.
what are you gonna do? And you're like
you're dancing and singing in your car to the fact that you're pretty.
And she's calling you out. Haley is calling you out with a smile on her face and dancing around.
Because she's calling herself out. She posted a video on Instagram not the other day, but a while back that was like, well, I just got out of therapy and the verdict is I'm still Don't go crying to your mama.
Yes.
That's best.
Yes,
That's
I forgot about that line. Yes.
That's all you do, right?
Yeah.
We have that in common.
Yeah, we do have that in common. We do call our moms.
Also, go crying to my dog, but that doesn't sound as good.
I do. I have cried on my cat.
On your cat?
Yeah.
I've cried on my dog.
Yeah. You put my face right in his belly and just cried.
Save me! Daddy! What am I gonna do? And she just looks at me like,
yeah.
again.
Here we go. All right.
I mean, Haley has a little dog that she probably cries on her dog.
Haley, could you send us video of you crying on your dog if you
Yeah.
do? I know you're gonna watch this,
Definitely gonna watch it.
so just like to see evidence.
We like to not feel alone in our crying on dogs.
Yeah. So yeah, you can
Let's
text
start a group, Facebook group called Crying on My Dog.
crying on my dog, crying on my animals. You can text me or Kelly directly, or the
Yeah,
group message.
We do that. We text all the time.
Yeah, me and Haley. If you want us to review albums, then you should tell us.
Because this one was requested and we did it.
That's a big step for me.
Yeah.
That's all.
No, I need more. You should start a band and call it the Somber Buzzkills. And you can only cover Lana Del Rey songs.
And Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish, but only her extra sad one.
That sounds great. Do you want to be in
Yeah.
that band with me?
No.
Okay.
I'm turning into a real boy.
Is that how real boys talk?
I don't know. It's my first time being a real boy.
Boy. And if I feel like I have to filter myself, then we're going to miss out on a lot of, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to say every funny thing, and sometimes you're going to have to cut things out.
Okay.